Hello and welcome back to another video brought to you by Autowave. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the XTool Pad Elite key programming device. And it's a great tool with a wide range of coverage for vehicles across the UK and European market. So let's have a look inside the box and see what we get. Of course, it's good to have a carry case anyway, it keeps your device protected. Of course, if you're a mobile locksmith as well, it's just easy for you to take it around. And keep all your stuff in one place, like your device and all the accessories that come with it. So firstly, what we can see in the case is your paperwork. So your paperwork is basically your certificate of quality, your packing list and your user manual. So that's what you've got inside this poly wallet here. Of course, you've got the device. We'll have a look at that a little bit later on, but we'll just have a look at the other stuff that you get inside the carry case. So with this being an OBD device, what you're going to find that you use the most is the OBD2 adapter. So that will just connect onto here. So it'll just connect onto this cable here, which then goes onto the device with this, which I'll show you a little bit later on as well. So of course you might not always use the OBD2, so there are a few other adapters here. So the Mazda 17 pin, the Honda 3 pin, the Kia Hyundai 10 pin and the Kia 20 pin. So they're the other adapters that you may use if you're not using the standard OBD2 adapter. So we do have a few other things here that you may not use a lot of, but they can be used alongside other XTool devices like the KC501 MCU and EEPROM programming device. So there's just two boards there. They are identical boards, but there's two of them. And then you've also got the EEPROM adapter as well. So of course you've got the other cables. We've already gone across this one, which just goes from your OBD to the device. We've got the standard power cable, so that will go into your device, which I'll also show you a little bit later on. And then you've got two cables here which go into your power cable. So one which is for like Chinese market, so if you're just going to use that in China, and then the other European. So obviously if you buy this in the UK, it will come with a UK adapter, which you just put on the end of either the European one or the Chinese one. And then here in this bag is just a USB to USB cable. So you'd use that for example with other devices like the KC100 pre-coding device. That will just connect that up to your X100 Pad Elite. Here's the device itself, the X100 Pad Elite. So on the top you can see here, it's got the power button, it's got the port for the power, and this is where you'd plug in this basically, so that you can connect it to your OBD. And then you just put your OBD adapter on the end of this and then plug it into the vehicle, and that's how you connect it up. Yep, so that's that port, and then here's your USB port. So it has got an 8-inch LCD display, which is touchscreen. It also has a camera on the back, and then just like, if you just slide that across to unlock it, it's like a little stand so that you can stand it up in the vehicle. So it is quite a sturdy design. I would knock it on the table, but I don't want to break the table. And with this device as well, this is the UK version. So this is 18 months ahead of the global equivalent, which is the X100 Pad 3. So this device has got more IMO functions for European vehicles. So if you was looking sort of between this and the Pad 3, that's the difference, is this has got more IMO functions in Europe. Yeah, so with this device as well, this is a Android device, so it's got an Android operating system on it. So I'll turn it on for you now. So when it starts up, you do need to set it up, which I'm not going to do with this device. But you can see there, it's on. So if you do want to see this device in action, we do have many vehicles using this device on our channel. So make sure to subscribe for more up-to-date videos using this device and also other devices that we have in stock at Autowave. Yeah, so you can get this device from autowave.co.uk. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description which you can click on, which will take you straight to this product if you do wish to purchase it, and of course have a look at some other videos of this device. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.